Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, we have the YGZ walking pad. Get ready for a showdown of epic proportions.
Both of these treadmills are priced at $299.
It's a tie.
But remember, folks, price isn't everything.
Let's dive deeper into the features. The Goplus treadmill has an innovative 2-in-1 design. It can be used as a jogging machine at a speed of 0.6 miles per hour to 2.5 miles per hour when the riser is folded, and as a running treadmill at a speed of 0.6 miles per hour to 7.5 miles per hour when the handrail is raised. Talk about versatility.
On the other hand, the YGZ walking pad takes a unique approach.
It offers an adjustable incline of 4%, creating a little hill for walking. This feature aims to shape your hips and legs, giving you that extra burn.
So, if you're looking for a challenging workout, the YGZ walking pad has got your back.
The Goplus treadmill boasts a powerful 2.25 HP motor, allowing you to walk or run without disturbing others. Perfect for home and office use.
Plus, its sturdy steel frame and multi-layer shield design make it shock-absorbing and noise-reducing. Say goodbye to noisy workouts. Meanwhile, the YGZ walking pad comes with a low-noise 2.5 HP motor. It's designed to provide a stable and comfortable experience for jogging and walking without the concern of disturbing yourself or others.
So whether you're at home or in the office, you can enjoy a peaceful workout. The Goplus treadmill features a non-slip running belt with a spacious running area. Its LED display shows time, speed, distance, and calories, keeping your progress in check.
And guess what?
It even has a Bluetooth speaker and a phone holder, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes or watch videos while you exercise. Talk about multitasking. On the flip side, the YGZ walking pad offers an LED display that tracks distance, speed, time, and calories.
You have the freedom to adjust the speed and control your workout using either the remote controller or an intelligent app.
It's all about convenience, my friends.
The Goplus treadmill comes with a compact foldable design and built-in transport wheels.
It's easy to move and store, saving you precious space. Plus, it's out of the box and doesn't require any installation.
Just unfold and you're good to go.
Similarly, the YGZ walking pad is designed for easy storage. Weighing about 44 pounds, it can be easily moved with its transport wheels and stored under a sofa, bed, or office desk.
No fuss, no hassle. Both treadmills have their unique features, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and workout goals.
Remember, always do your research and consider what you need before making a purchase.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and make those informed buying decisions. Happy shopping!